It is easier than ever to look for every different way that you can get more subscribers, more views, and even better analytics to pump into your veins after a long day of editing. But there is one feature on YouTube that you need to completely steer clear of. On my previous YouTube channel, I fell into this trap, and it's fair to say that it drained the life out of my channel, and it killed videos before they even got a chance to be seen. So what is this feature that has the potential to ruin your YouTube journey? And how did this affect my previous channel? This feature gives you the impression that you're growing your YouTube channel when actually you're just exchanging your money for an extra number on your sub count. What I'm talking about is YouTube promotions, YouTube ads, or Google ads, whatever you want to call it. This is where you pay a certain amount of money to put your YouTube videos in front of more people and higher up in the suggestions and search rankings, which, as you can imagine, is very attractive to us small creators, especially when you're fed up of seeing slow growth and barely any impressions. Why not just use this to kickstart my YouTube channel when in reality it does almost the inverse of that? It sticks you in the mud. But how does it do this? I found the harsh way that with these ads, the people that your videos are put in front of are very low quality and are very unlikely to become a loyal return viewer for your channel. Many of these viewers will click off extremely early, which ruins your audience retention. Barely any of them will ever comment or like. Those that do subscribe never engage with your future videos, which will in turn affect your click-through rate. It goes on. Therefore, running these ads slowly drains your quality of audience. From my experience, and I'll go into that in a minute, it feels like these viewers are like 10 times less likely to view any of your future videos, or even click on them. This now puts you at a disadvantage every time you upload. Instead of having 200 engaged subscribers and maybe like 10 inactive, you now have like 500 subscribers with like 300 of them inactive. Now every time you publish a video and YouTube tests it with your audience to see how they engage, the inactive section of your audience gives them bad signals. Therefore, the algorithm thinks, no one's engaging here, no one enjoys this video, I'm not pushing this any further. It's now very easy to see how this small and understandable choice can ruin a channel, or get a channel at least stuck in the mud where they really struggle to get a high view count. With my previous channel, I made videos all about fitness and how to build muscle and get stronger. Very early on, I found it really hard to get views and subs. Looking back on it now, this was just because I was making content in a very saturated niche. And I was still learning how to make videos in the best way, how to package content in the best way, etc. But I grew very frustrated early on because I'd spend hours and hours editing and making these videos and I'd almost get nowhere with them. So I decided around 6 videos in that I was going to whack my videos on some Google ads, and I ran these adverts for a few weeks and they helped me surpass 100 subs, 200 subs, etc. But this started tanking my audience retention, and it was a real struggle to even break 1,000 impressions on a video sometimes. Then after diving into the analytics a bit, I thought, yeah, I need to stop this ad thing and just try and build my organic audience up again. Then the coming months, I just did everything organically. My channel started to come back, getting videos that were surpassing thousands of views, even one that broke 10,000 views, which was like a groundbreaker for me really. But then, like with most YouTubers, I got frustrated again and I restarted the ads. And once again, I saw an upsurge in subs and views, but almost the inverse in organic views and watch hours. And it's around 2 months later that I'm recording this video on a completely new channel and now focusing fully on organic growth. So learn from my mistakes, that even if it feels frustrating and tedious that your quality content is not getting any views or impressions, don't ruin your future chances just to save your ego when you get a 50 viewed video. To see more ways to ensure that your YouTube channel is successful and that you don't make the same mistakes that I have, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll get loads of fresh new content to you soon. Peace.